guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be drafting the basic long sleeve. First, I really want to appreciate those of you that have subscribed. Many thanks. May God bless you. You that have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Kindly subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you. So let's get started. I started by folding my fabric or pattern paper into two. And this is the open edge and this is the closed edge, and this is like my baseline. I'll start my measurements. So I have already measured 18 inches, which is the distance from the tip of my shoulder to my wrist, which is my sleeve length. Then I added 2 inches for sewing allowance. So starting from my baseline, I will measure 4.4 inches. That is my cap height, which is also called bicep. How did I get that? I divided my bust circumference by 12, which is 41 divided by 12. Then I added 1 inch. That will give me 4.4 inches. Then I'll connect the points together. So this is the bicep line. I will measure 11 inches, which is the distance from my shoulder to my elbow. So you can slightly bend your elbow to locate the point. So I'll connect the points together. So this is my baseline, my cap height line, elbow line, wrist line, and seam allowance. My bicep circumference is 16 inches. 16 divided by 2 is 8 inches. So I'll measure 8 inches. So to get your bicep circumference, measure the thickest portion or the fullest part of your arm, but make sure it is not too tight. So I'll be adding 1.5 inches for sewing allowance. So my elbow round is 13 inches. 13 divided by 2 is 6.5 inches. So I'll measure 6.5 inches. Then I'll add 1.5 inches for sewing allowance. So my wrist circumference is 9 inches. 9 divided by 2 is 4.5 inches. So I'll measure 4.5 inches. Then I'll add 1.5 inches for sewing allowance. So I'll connect the points together. So from this point, I'll make a slant line to the folded edge. So I'll measure the line. What I have here is 10.5. So I'll take the midpoint of this 10.5, which is 5.2. So from this midpoint, I will come up by 1/2 inch. So from the 1/2 inch, I will make a curve to the folded edge. Then I'll make a straight line from the 1/2 inch to this point. So this is for the back armhole. So for the front armhole, I will start from this midpoint and make a curve to the folded edge. So I'll make another curve from this point to this point. Then I'll cut out the back armhole first. Then I'll open it and cut out the front armhole. So this is the front armhole and this is the back. As you can see, the front is deeper than the back. So what I did was just to extend the lines to enable me label it accordingly. So this is the front, this is the back, this is the bicep, this is the elbow line, and this is the wrist line. So I'll label this as the center line. And the seam allowance. So that is it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If so, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like and share this video. See you on my next video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.